Let's turn to tonight's Get Real India story from the ground. A youth-led green revolt is shaking the pink city of Jaipur. That's right. Citizens in Jaipur are up in arms against a project that will strip the city of its valuable tree cover, acres and acres of forest land. What for? To build hotels. The citizens want to preserve what they call is the green lung of the pink city. Take a look at today's Get Real India story from Dev Ankur Vadawa.
चल रहा है। जो लोग एक पौधा माँ के नाम लगाते हैं, आज वो ही लोग पैसों के लिए इतने सारे विशाल पेड़ों को काट रहे हैं।
A storm is brewing in Jaipur. The Save Dholkabad campaign, fighting to save 2,500 trees from the axe, has exploded into a youth-driven environmental movement. Over 100 acres of dense green cover, home to over 80 species of birds, and the ecologically vital khejri trees is now under threat. At the center of the storm is the proposed Prime Minister Unity Mall, FinTech Park, and other commercial projects by RICO.
Activists have been campaigning for almost 4 years in South Jaipur to save trees in the Dholkabad area. Several people maintain that around 2,500 trees, more than 80 varieties or species of birds are required to be saved, and that is why they have been carrying out this campaign in the Dholkabad area. They maintain that the government is trying to ensure that a PM Unity Mall, hotels, FinTech Park are made in this area, and that is why it is bent upon uprooting trees they consider essential.
पीएम जो है प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं एक पेड़ माँ के नाम लगाओ, और पीएम के नाम ही 2,500 पेड़ काटे जाते हैं। वो अगर लाखों पेड़ पौधे अगर पौधे लगाते हैं तो लाखों पौधों में से चंद मात्र पौधे जीवित रह पाते हैं, वो पेड़ बन पाते हैं।
Our point of contention is when you have such land, when you have such a beautiful place which is already a natural forest, and when government themselves are building forests, like JDA is coming up with their own biodiversity park in 2025, and on the other hand there is another agency, RICO, which is cutting the forest for a mall for tribals.
Protesters claim that over 7 lakh people will be impacted by the project. They suggest a biodiversity park should replace the development project.
If you call police brutality, harassment by police, continuous surveillance by police as a government response, definitely yes, the government has responded. But no contact from any bureaucrat, any small government officer, let alone the politicians or the ministers, has been made. We have been protesting for 4 years, and this protest again started in last 4 months, but not a single government official has cared to come and talk to us. Today is the 29th day of indefinite protest.
हर एक अधिकारी से बात की, पर्सनली मिलने गया, कलेक्टर से, रिको चेयरमैन, रिको एमडी, सबका किसी का कोई सीएम हाउस भी गया, किसी का कोई इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है पेड़ बचाने में। इसमें जो 203 पेड़ का जियो टैगिंग की गई है सबके द्वारा, और जियो टैगिंग एक गूगल जो ऐप है, इनका ऐप के थ्रू मार्किंग होती है, हर ट्री की फोटोग्राफ होती है, और इनका रिकॉर्ड बोल रहा है 58 ट्रीज है। ये कैसे पॉसिबल है? मतलब हर जगह गफलत ही गफलत है।
From cycle march to candlelight vigils, citizens are using different ways to make their voices heard. Despite petitions and public outrage, the silence from the authorities is deafening. But on the streets, the voice of citizens is only growing louder. Bureau Report, India Today.